Hello, and today I want to show you how you can download and install Obsidian desktop application on Ubuntu Linux 26.04 LTS version. For getting instructions how to create and update desktop AppImage launcher, I'm going to use this article from linuxcapable.com website, and author of this article is Joshua James. I will leave a link to it in the description, so you will be able to run these commands and configure your application launcher by yourself. Before we start, I want to tell you that it is recommended to install Obsidian from official sources. This article highlights main ways you can install application on your Ubuntu system, and the simplest one is installing it right from App Center application using Snap installer, or if you prefer apt, you can install it from official Debian repository or Ubuntu repository. But today I will show you how you can install AppImage of the Obsidian application for educational purposes. Let's start. We can start by downloading official AppImage binary for Obsidian. Next thing you need to do before you launch your AppImage is to verify that you have these dependencies installed. In my case, I have already installed these dependencies, and you want to verify that your libviews library binary is available to the dynamic linker. This path displayed, everything is correct. After this, you can create applications folder inside your home directory. If you have not done yet, switch to it and copy your AppImage binary to this directory. You can do this by running copy command from terminal. After this, add executable permissions to your binary using this command. In addition to this, author suggests you to create symbolic link to your AppImage version. Next, after you successfully added executable permissions to your AppImage, create this script for adding your app to your application launcher. Open it with your text editor. In my case, I'm going to use Nano, and paste this content from description right in your script. Change app however you want. Change your AppImage name to match your downloaded file AppImage name. Create any ID you want and assign it category, but I'll leave it by default on utility. After you changed all these parameters, save the script, add executable permissions to the script, and run it. After running this script, Obsidian AppImage launcher will automatically add it to your application launcher, and you can launch it by clicking on it. And this way you can install Obsidian AppImage to your Ubuntu system. If you want your Obsidian application to have normal native icon, I recommend you to read this article from linuxcapable.com on how to install Obsidian on Ubuntu 26.04 specifically. It shows you how you can install Obsidian using 4 ways on your Ubuntu system, from Snap, Flatpak, official dep, or AppImage.